Recently, I was watching the Light and Color Creating Mood with Light from Daarken. It's an amazing tutorial that if you didn't see yet, I suggest strongly. So I'll put a link below this video, as much as I'll put a link for this exercise to the tutorial of Daarken. Basically, he explains you how you can create amazing mood light with the same scene by just changing basically the direction of the light and the general light mood. But there was no exercise to it, so obviously I created myself a sheet that I just want to show you quickly how you can use it to practice what he's showing you in this tutorial. So basically we have the scenes that he created here. They are all on different layers. So I have the bright day, the day, and the night scene, and I have another one which is a new scene totally. And when you click on the folder, you can take out the example, and then you'll see that they are basically just ready to be drawn on, so you can practice your own scenes. Every layer is on different, every parts of the illustration is on different layer. Therefore, you'll be able to just add the trees one by one and add the lighting that you want on each of them. I also created masks, so you don't have to worry about getting out of the lines. So you could simply just, choose to do a scene. And I'm not going to give you a total example here. I think it's pretty straightforward how to use this, but you simply have to start painting your light. So if there was light in the background, for example, you simply have to go on the background layer, start putting your light. Therefore, you won't go under the on top of the lines for each other. You'll be able to just go fluently and do your things. If you want to do, let's say, the big tree, I have it on one layer as well. So you can go ahead and start just adding the light that you would like to have on it, and just basically creating the mood light that you want. So you can go ahead, you can download the sheet below this video and give it a try, so you can have actually experienced the actual technique that Daarken is showing you in this video. I hope that you're gonna like it, and feel free to actually, once you are completed one scene or the 4 of them, to just share your result into the community, so we can all see your progress. So as usual, happy painting, guys, and enjoy this exercise.